Right, so we're on our way to Applecross, but we just had to pull over because of the stunning scenery behind me. I mean, just look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sean's just up there getting some photos. Yeah, look at that. It's just stunning and peaceful. I mean, there's obviously a few cars coming past, but it's just and here comes a bike now. So yeah, it's absolutely lovely here. So peaceful, like I said, apart from a few cars and a bike coming past. The road's been resurfaced as well, so I mean, the roads are lovely and smooth. But yeah, just a cloud coming down over the top of the mountains, just absolutely stunning. And it's like that, you go around the corner and boom, there's another one, and then there's another one. Love it. So yeah, we're making our way to Applecross now. I think we're about 20-25 miles away, but fuel is an issue for Sean. He's running very low on it, so we need to find a fuel station first and fill him up. I might as well fill up at the same time, and then we're going to hit Applecross. So yeah, hopefully in the next part of this video, that's what we're going to see. Alright guys, well we're on the other side of the Applecross right now. It was an absolute shit show up there. Basically you could see about 20 feet in front of you. You had hang on, the cop was going. Yeah, it was an absolute shit show up there. You couldn't see more than 20 feet in front of you. The camper vans coming the other way and just blocking up the road. I mean, it says on the signs at the beginning, camper vans, caravans not allowed, because the roads are so narrow. I mean, this is part here. I mean, just up there. Look how narrow that is. Just about to get two bikes past. Well, here you go, here's a car. Look how narrow it is. Absolute joke. So fucking they're bringing camper vans up here. Big bastard, twin wheels. Absolute joke. Anyway, we're on the other side. We're coming down. We've just got out of the cloud. We are literally just below the cloud, as you can see. You can probably see the rest of the road up there. I've got a bit of footage, but the rain was just so much that it just flooded the lens out. So I'll put up what I can for you guys to see. We're going to head down the rest of this, get down the bottom. I believe there's an inn there, get a cup of tea and try and dry off a bit because I am soaked. Anyway, speak to you later.
trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never care for what they do, never care for what they know, but I know so close, no matter how far. It couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters.